you have anything illegal on you? Guns, knives, drugs, anything like that? No? Okay. Why don't you step out from me, please?
Why do you want me to step out, though?
What's that?
Why do you want me to step out?
Why? Because we're trying to figure out what's going on while you're sleeping here and stuff like that, and we're getting calls on you. Okay, well, I'm just asking you to step out, man.
I don't understand, though. Like, really, like, why? Like,
Why? Because I'm going to do my business over here. I don't like doing it over here. You've been fiddling around everywhere. You don't know where your ID's at and stuff like that, so I want to do it out here. Don't be fiddling around.
I know where it's at.
Well, I'm telling you, don't be looking around.
I'm just looking. Okay, we don't want you to dig around. That's why we're pulling you out of the car. Dude,
just get out of the car. Just get out of the car.
Come on, dude. Like, really? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Why am I...
We never said anything you were doing anything wrong. We wanted to do stuff out here. We wanted...
Why? Like, why? Why can't you just tuck me right here? Why can't you just tuck me out here? Like, what the hell? Why do I gotta get pulled out of my car?
Because we don't know what's in here. We're asking you to come over here.
You guys asked me for my ID. I got stuff everywhere. Look. I got stuff all over the ground. I got stuff everywhere. Come on. Dude, really? Come on, dude. Like, why are you gonna do that?
Just relax, dude.
Dude, why are you gonna do that?
Just relax. Just come outside.
Come on, man. Like, step to the front of the car. I'm not doing anything bad.
Okay, then let's go over here and everything will be good. Everything checks out, all right?
No. Like, why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I know this
Do you know this
We
guy?
want to positively identify you. So
we want to just come out here and talk to us. All right? It's not a big deal.
Your wall. We don't want you digging around. We're going to ID you over here.
Look, can I
No, not right now. Right now, in a little bit.
I swear to God, it's right here. I have my wallet. I have my...
Just step out of the car. Why won't you step out of the car?
Promotion time. I'm just saying. It's right here. Look.
Stop going in places.
Look.
Step out of the car, man.
Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude?
Because it's safer for us. We want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man.
Dude, why?
Dude, relax.
I'm not doing nothing
Yes,
bad.
you are. You're not listening to our command.
Do you want to get tased? Do you want to get tased?
No, I don't want to get tased.
Okay, then
open
come
the
out.
door and
Hey,
just
watch
step
out.
to the front of our car, man.
Oh, it's because the door's all broken. Look.
Okay, just open the door.
Well, come out. Can we get another unit? Subject to freezing. Shots fired. Have been hit. Shots fired. Have been hit.
Shots fired.
Units over at the channel, 3 stands 22, 4185 West Hollywood.
Expedite medical, I've been hit.
Acknowledge expediting.
Major cross.
Tompkins, east of Barville.
East of.
Channel.
Air 2, 4185 West Tompkins. Excuse me, Tompkins to win. Officer's hit.
I don't know. I've been hit. Sam 22. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
I've been hit on the side. I need to go to the hospital. I'm hit.
Okay, get inside.
I opened the door. Oh fuck, dude, I'm hitting the side.
Where's he at? Where's Dan?
Dan's in front of the car.
Okay, where's our bad guy?
I'm having trouble breathing.
Where's our bad guy?
He's in the truck.
Okay, he's still in there? I got you, brother. You're good. You're okay, man.
Just relax, man.
Relax. Just come outside. Come on, man.
Just step to the front of the car, man.
Anything bad.
We never said you
over
were.
here and everything will be good. Everything checks out, all right? No. Why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I know this guy.
We want to positively identify you, so we want...
Just come out here and talk to me. All right?
Since you can't find your wallet, we don't want you digging around. We're going to ID you over here.
Look, can I no, not right now. Right now. I swear to God, it's right here. How am I?
Just step out of the car. Why won't you step out of the car?
I'm just saying, it's right here. Look. Stop going in places. No, look.
Step out of the car, man.
Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude?
Because it's safer for us. We want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man.
Dude, why?
Just relax.
I'm not doing nothing
Yes,
bad.
you are. You're not listening to our command.
Do you want to get tased? No, I don't want to get tased. Okay,
then just open the door and just step the front of our car, man.
Because this door's all broken, look.
Okay, just open the door, man.
Come out.
Patrol 3 Sam 22, shots fired.
Acknowledged. All units over the channel. 3 Sam 22 at 4185 West Pumpkin. Expedite medical at hit. Acknowledged. Expediting. Major cross.
Tompkins, Arville. East of.
Patrol on channel. Air 24185 West Pumpkin.
Where's he at? He's hit?
Tompkins and West. Officers hit.
My partner or the gun suspect? Get away! Get cover! Get away!
Compact 7 today. Sam 42. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
That's the one. I can be on the side.